to reduce dandruff and increase hair growth with lemon juice and yogurt. Take 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Now, apply this mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, use this hair mask once a week. You can also use the lemon juice to the scalp as a pre-shampoo treatment. Apply the lemon juice to the scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes to allow the lemon to penetrate the hair follicles and skin. Afterward, rinse it out with warm water, and wash your hair and scalp with a mild shampoo. You can repeat this cycle every wash day for consistent results. Note: before incorporating lemon juice or any other new product into your hair cleansing routine, talk with a doctor. You want to make sure you don't have allergies or aren't taking medications that could cause adverse reactions if exposed to lemon. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.